Hello friends, welcome to Acquireias. Today we are going to discuss questions on environmental pollutions. You can download the short notes of the Hindu PDF from the given below links. Next we move further. That is, you can join the WhatsApp group for answer writing initiatives, and you can follow me on my Facebook page. You can subscribe for blogs for getting an interesting articles regarding personal development skills and UPSC related articles. You can simultaneously join the Telegram channel for getting an various kind of PDFs. Right, today we are going to discuss our questions based on environmental pollution. That is chapter number 5 of the SHANKAR IAS. That is, topic is plastic pollution, and it is a part 9 of this chapter. You can refer the part 1 to 8 before coming here. Right, so we will move for the first question. That is, which of the following given statements is correct? Option number A says plastic pollution can interfere with the plankton species that forms the foundation of the food web and other organisms, adversely affecting the delicate balance in the marine ecosystem. And second statement says the plastic pollution can interfere with the plankton species that forms the foundation of the food web but not the other organisms. Choose the correct answer from the given options. So here option number A is only 1, and option number 2 is only B, and option number C is both B, A and B, and option number D is A and B, neither A nor B. So here our option number A will be the right answer. Because why the option number B will be the wrong? Because it is saying that it won't be interfere in the other organisms, so which is a wrong statement. If one chain is got affected, so the entire web will get affected, right friends? So for this question, this is the explanation for this. So we will move for the second question. That is, which of the following given statements is correct? Option number A says the rate of UV-induced photooxidative degradation of plastic floating or submerged at a sea is very much slower than the exposed at the same time slower than the exposed to the same solar radiation on land. And second statement says the rate of UV-induced photooxidative degradation of plastic floating or submerged at the sea is very much faster than that of the exposed to the same solar radiation on the land. So which of the following given options are correct? So you have to choose the right answer from the below. So here let me tell you the answer. That is, only A will be the answer, because in option number A it is saying the rate of induced photooxidative degradation of the plastic floating or submerged at the sea levels are very much slower than the exposed to the same solar radiation on the land. Yes, because water needs much more insulation as compared to the land. For this reason, the option number B will get wrong answer, because what the option number B is saying, that is, degradation plastic floating on submerged at the sea is very much faster than the exposed to the solar same radiation. So it is talking about the faster. So for this reason it will be wrong, right friends? So here our answer will be A. Next we move further. Which of the following are the correct statements? Statement number 1 says unlike on land, there is no easy means of retrieval, sorting and recycling of plastic waste that enters into the ocean environment. Option number B, statement number B says unlike on land, there is no easy means of retrieval, sorting and recycling of plastic waste that enters into the ocean environment. So which of the following statement is correct? Choose the correct answer from the below options. So here our answer will be, it is saying about choose the wrong code. Okay friends, so you have to choose a wrong code. So neither A nor B will be the right answer, because these two statements are same. So for this purpose, no statement is wrong, both are correct. So for this, both are our answer will be neither A nor B, right? For next we move further. Which of the following steps to be taken to control the plastic waste? Option number 1 says say no to plastic. Option number 2 says create awareness. So choose the correct answer from the below given codes. Option number A, only one, only two, both A and B, and neither one nor two. Neither one nor two. So which of the following is correct answer? Choose the correct answer. Please pause the video and try to attempt this question. That is option number C will be the right answer. That is say no to plastic. And second thing is create awareness. Yes, you have to create awareness in your society. So to see the change, you should be the one for the change, right? So next we see for the fifth question, that is what do you understand by the term microplastic? Microplastics are small plastic pieces of less than 5 millimeter in size. And second statement says single-use plastic is a major pollutant in the environment today. So choose the correct answer. Only A, none of the above, only B, all of the above, that is A and B. So our option will be, answer will be D is the right answer, because these are the small plastics of the less than 5 millimeter in size. Microplastics means less than 5 millimeters in size, right? And what are the major pollutant in the environment today? That is single use of plastic. That is, we take carry bags from the shops and we use for once to carry it from shop to home, and then we will throw it away. So there is no segregation of waste, or there is no reduction of the usage, or there is no reuses policy. For this purpose, the single use of plastic will be the great major reason for this, right friends? So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe for Acquireias. Thank you very much. Have a great day.